crazy.
We don't use that word in here.
What word should I use? What word explains what is happening to me?
Oh, baby.
Have we met?
Well, there's a light in your eye that keeps shining, like a star that can't wait for a night.
Which is a weird coincidence.
I hate to think I've been blinded, baby. What can I see tonight? And the warmth of your smile starts burning, and the thrill of your touch gives me fright. And I'm shaking so much with the earth. Why don't you show up and make it alright? Yeah, it's alright.
It felt real. It was your great ambition to make a game that was indistinguishable from reality.
And if you promised your love so completely, and you said you would always be true, you swore that you never would leave me, baby, whatever happened to you. And you thought it was only in me, and you wished so your dreams would come true. Hey, it ain't the first time, believe me,
know you said the story was over for you, but that's the thing about stories. They never really end, do they? We're still telling the same stories we've always told, just with different names, different faces.